You go.
Okay, so the challenge is we have to finish the noodles without drinking. Okay?
Yep.
So whoever finish it,
Yep.
the reward is the ice cream.
Yep.
So if you don't finish that one, you won't get the ice cream. You won't get the ice cream, bro. So we don't need to rush. It's fine as long as we finish it. Ready?
Ready?
Smell it first. You know it's so. Yeah. I know, right? Okay. Maybe just maybe just don't smell it. Just put it straight in your mouth.
I did.
Have you? Oh. Okay. For the ice cream. For the victory. I don't think you can finish it. Can we drink? Maybe we're allowed to drink. Yeah? As long as we finish it, I think it's fine. Yeah. I think it's not a good idea. You good? If you cannot finish it, it's fine. You know what? My tummy is burning. Okay. I can do it. I thought you eat spicy. If you can, just don't force yourself.